Rainforest Cafe is a jungle-themed restaurant chain. The first location opened in the Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota, on February 3, 1994. The first international location opened in London, England in June 1997. In 1998, it was planned to build 12 additional restaurants in the United States, 7 in Mexico, and 5 in the UK, for a total of 22 restaurants by 2008. Now there are restaurants in the United States, Canada, France, the United Arab Emirates, Japan, and Malta. We visited one in Katy, Texas, Katy Mills, which was opened on October 28, 1999. Had a nice experience there. Everything was great: food, service and environment. Rainforest Cafe serves typical American chain restaurant fare, such as burgers, chicken, pastas, and seafood, with the addition of some Mexican food to reflect the tropical theme. Their signature dessert, called the Volcano, consists of brownie and ice cream topped with a lit sparkler. The restaurant also serves alcoholic beverages, some of which are reminiscent of those associated with tiki culture, such as the Mai Tai. Each Rainforest Cafe restaurant is designed to depict the atmosphere of a tropical rainforest, including fake plants, fog machines, waterfalls, and rainforest animals. The ceiling and much of the walls are lined with artificial foliage, while lower areas and booth seating are decorated with faux rock. Brick textures suggest ancient ruins, and support pillars are made to look like tree trunks. Often, there is a waterfall with a fountain in the dining area, with a statue depicting Atlas holding up the earth to communicate a conservation message. Papier-mâché birds and butterflies are suspended from the trees, and other whimsical rainforest creatures are mounted, as though climbing on the walls or peeking through the foliage. The ceiling above the center of the dining room features a simulated starry night sky, designed and manufactured by Fiber Optic Systems Incorporated, located in White House Station, New Jersey. The bar area is situated under a gigantic mushroom, partitioned from the rest of the restaurant by a rain curtain. The chain is known for its characteristic bar stools, made to resemble the legs of animals, designed and sculpted by the artist Glenn Carter. Fish tanks with tropical reef fish are spread throughout the restaurant and the gift shop space. Periodically, a simulated thunderstorm will occur every few minutes, with strobe lights and thunder effects through subwoofers. Animatronic animals are spread throughout the restaurant. These include butterflies, elephants, gorillas, leopards, orangutans, chimpanzees, macaws, monkeys and tigers, though this will vary by location. The restaurant is laid out so that these animals are set off the ground and are largely above diners' heads, not only allowing them to be seen from farther away, but making them appear larger as well. A crocodile and a python are often located in the gift shop area to attract the attention of passers-by. I hope you like my trip. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon in my videos.